what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Leak, and the title of the video is "She Didn't Realize Walmart Was Tracking Her Every Move." Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
On March 17, 2025 in Ohio, police were called after a woman at Walmart was seen by loss prevention hiding merchandise in her purse. She attempted to flee with her family, but authorities caught up with them before they could exit the parking lot.
I can't roll my window down. Give me a... What is it?
Okay. My name's Officer Ryan, ShyGotEm Police Department. Okay, the reason why I've stopped you is because loss prevention was apparently watching her in the store. When I passed you, they didn't give me a real good information there. I would have stopped you there. Okay? So, apparently she has some items that she didn't pay for.
These?
No, I'm going to say it's not the Hormel pepperonis. He listed a jacket, a bra.
Here's the jacket.
Did you pay for the jacket?
No.
Okay.
There, that's what he's asking you.
So the jacket, what else?
I didn't even know she didn't have clothing.
What?
I didn't even know she. Oh, is that it?
What else?
I can't roll these windows.
You're
Yeah,
good.
I'm sorry.
What else? Is there?
Well, this sound like this looks like this is gonna go pretty smooth. You being honest, yada yada. You know, the only thing that I don't like is like it literally show the officer some respect. Why are you vaping in his face? You know what I mean? But besides that, you know, whatever.
Anything else?
He wants that you can open up that door. Yeah, open up. The fuse is blown or something. It does that sometimes.
Okay. Is this it? No bra?
No, I put it back.
You put the bra back?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have an ID? Driver's license, anything, just a picture ID? Sure, don't drive away. Don't run me over.
Oh no, we're not going nowhere.
Sorry, I got a paper ID somewhere back there.
There it is.
Yep.
Okay.
We need the receipt for our stuff.
Did you guys paid for everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything is with yes.
Well,
We got a duck. I got the receipt. We got a duck.
And show some respect. Turn the radio off. Like, really? What are you doing? Turn the radio off, man.
Got our machine.
Shorts and a coat, since you put the bra back.
The bra hangers I got, it's empty.
So she put it back. I don't know where she dropped that, so she put it back. I don't know why she would give me the shirt and the shorts and not the bra. She handed it all over to me as soon as I walked up there. 23, will you ask her where she dropped the bra at?
Near the shoes, I think.
she says near the shoes, she thinks.
I don't know.
Near the shoes?
The receipt for this.
Okay.
She's got a Cincinnati shirt too.
So that was it.
See if she dumped it.
Ask her if she has a Cincinnati shirt or she dropped it also.
I was just about to call you. You want her to come in the store and show you?
Well, I mean, is it in her purse or no?
I mean, she's saying no, but...
Can you see it anywhere?
Here, where's your purse at?
Is it in it? Yeah. You better give them everything.
What?
I mean, yeah, there's a bra in here.
At Walmart?
What kind of bra was it? Does it matter? I mean...
Go where?
Where's the tag on that?
XXL black cross sports bra.
Pixel.
Hang up the phone. You're on phone.
Brand Avia?
Yeah, yeah.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's it.
Okay.
You want me to bring her in?
Tell them they need to wait.
There's a pair of red shorts in here as well. What else?
Yeah, just bring her up here.
Alright, go ahead and check out for me. Alright, walk back to my cruiser. We're gonna come.
That's dumb. Why be honest about some stuff and not the other? You're caught regardless. Like, You saying you dropped the bra and it's in your bag.
No, you're fine.
All right, she's got the bra.
Okay.
So
Cincinnati shirt.
she didn't say anything about Cincinnati shirt. She said something about a red pair of shorts.
I watched her conceal the bra in the Cincinnati shirt.
Okay.
So you made it good in front of her.
Okay. Well, you want to go and get the receipt for? I guess you need the bra to get the receipt for that, or what?
Yeah, we'll wait to see what all.
Okay.
Go ahead and turn around for me.
I'm going where?
Go ahead and turn around for me. Place your hands on your back like you're praying, alright? Can you place your hands together like you're praying? We're just going in the office, okay? You're not going to jail or anything. We're gonna figure out what's going on. I mean, you were being honest there for a little bit. So what happened? What happened? So you didn't want them to know. Okay. Bring your wrist this way a little bit so I don't hurt you. Alright. You got anything on you? Nothing that's gonna stab, poke, stick me? Okay. You have a bra on?
Nope.
No? No bra on? Nothing, you don't have pockets or anything? Alright. Right here. I'm gonna tell them to wait for you.
Ouch. Damn, bro.
I'm guessing you guys are her ride. Yeah. You wanna just pull up to the front?
23. Do you have her?
Yep, I'm headed up there now.
Okay. What else she got there? She's really starting to piss me off now.
Yeah, she was being honest. She said she lied because her friends were in the car with her, and that's her boyfriend's family. She didn't want them knowing.
They already knew.
Wait, these are shorts. I thought they were shorts.
Sure, yeah.
I mean, her shirt. I don't think she saw that. They didn't saw that.
Yeah, Miss Officer. Hold on, Miss Officer.
They already knew.
Wait, these are shorts. I thought they were shorts.
Sure, yeah.
I mean, her shirt. I don't think she saw that. They didn't saw that one.
This? Yes, this was it.
Saw that one?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. That's the brawl. This thing. Is the bag still on?
No, the bag's not.
That's her babe.
I can only assume these. Oh, fuck it. These here too, I assume.
What?
Like, why? Why give me part of it and not like theft's theft? Like, it doesn't matter whether it's a penny or $999.99. I'm thinking it's the same. Like, what was the point in giving me a shirt and a pair of shorts?
Because my boyfriend's family was in the car and I
Yeah.
didn't want them.
Well, they already knew, obviously. So when I walked up, you gave me a shirt and a sweater. That's what I said. That's not a real good reason. Okay, well, let me get a total for this stuff. I don't think so.
You're her ride, right?
Yeah.
I'm probably going to be a ride, sure.
Oh, I think I was muted. But what I was saying was, you going around your family with no bra on? Come on. You got everything flopping and bouncing all over the place.
Piss me off now.
Yeah, she lied.
Yeah. Broke number one rule.
Yeah.
If you just want to stand by for a second. I mean, are you taking her?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind. You're good then.
Okay, I'll go.
The other two are, you don't have them on camera, right?
No, I bought my stuff.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yep, you're good.
See, I forgot about that. Still missing bits.
Huh?
There it is.
cry now?
I barely lasted 3 days.
I was like, why are you lying? Like, 'cause you were being honest. I don't know why you're lying now.
As soon as I passed her at the door, which was also super annoying because I don't know where he was at.
I saw somebody running that way. Was that Dom?
He was out here wandering around. Me and that girl passed each other coming in. I seen she was wearing shorts and she had a black bag. I'm like, where's Don at though? Nowhere to be found. And I come out here and he's like, she's leaving in the Jeep, I'm like, that gold Jeep right there, yeah.
It was a blue Jeep, right?
So I went to go get that one. He's like, no, she's still in the parking lot. Yep. Better phone?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Just, I try to tell her not to lie. You know what I mean? I try.
Yeah.
She's 18 and done. You know?
19, but yeah.
Whatever. See, but that's my
Done.
brother's girlfriend, so.
Yeah. Well, she don't have any contacts with us. Like, I put her name on her computer and she don't have any contacts
She's
with us at
never
all.
been in trouble at all.
Really?
It's the first time.
Yeah. Well, she kicked her off.
Maybe it'll scare her.
Yeah.
So to learn less.
I mean, I had full intentions of taking the stuff.
I knew you did. So I tried to tell her. I didn't know she had more in that bag. I said, give me that bag. Let me look through it. She.
Yeah.
But all right. Thank you guys.
Yep. Where'd he go? Oh, he's
I went to get a receipt, yeah.
You sure this bag's not stolen?
He said it's not.
It looks kind of new.
Is there any crusties in the bottom of it?
Any crusties? Not really. Yeah. Not really. Looks new.
No, that's used. It reeks of cigarette smoke. That's definitely used. Look down here. Crusties.
Crusties.
That's all crusties. That smells like weed.
So what? She took the shorts,
The shorts, the jacket, the bra, the two things of Fujifilm, which those are expensive. My daughter has that little camera thing, the instant prints. That smells like weed in here. Is Dawn hitting the pin? I want to say they're maybe like 25 bucks a piece.
Huh.
They're kind of pricey. These little camera things are. So she had those two camera things, the shirt, the bra, the jacket.
You want to take her? Or you want me to take
Oh
her?
no, I got her.
You want me to do the report?
No,
You want me to start the report?
it won't take me, but pretty simple. I already got it done in my head.
Yeah.
Yep,
What,
it's completed.
Is it called copy and paste? You previous one? No. I didn't even know they sold those jerseys.
We got a receipt.
Yeah, $109.
That's about what I figured. That's what I said. These little camera things are expensive.
You got her info?
I do, not on me, but I do. I can get it to you. It's in my cab. All right, I'll text it to you or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, they're $15 a piece. The films are.
Yeah, the shirt's $45.
Okay, I was thinking that, yeah, because I.
That's a jersey.
Yeah, I didn't know they sold those.
All right, well, she's going to jail.
Damn. You know, because something, honestly, since it's so low of an amount, you know, they kind of got a little discretion, you know, whether if they want to take her in, like, down to the county or not. And yeah, they could have just gave her a ticket, you know, a court date or whatever, and called it a day, you know. But I could, you know, obviously the officer is mad. He said it a couple of times just because she was lying, you know, and there's really no reason to lie, and it's not that much money. It's only $100 and some dollars. It's not like it was like $500 or $1,000 or something like that, you know. Which at that point it's a lot more serious, you know.
Thank you. She's gonna get a mugshot. I don't care if they release her, but there's gonna be a mugshot.
All right, you're gonna be going in that car.
We're gonna get my car up here, which is number 18.
It's a good lesson for her.
Put your cuffs in your box. I know you've never been here before. Nothing concealed on your bra, on your body, anything like that? Okay. You don't even have any contacts in our system. I said, you don't even have any contacts in our system. It's a heck of a way to start out here. So we're going to learn a lesson at this point. So being you've never been here, I'll kind of explain the process to you a little bit. They'll come down out here, they're going to pat you down, and then they'll put you in a little body scanner there. They'll scan your body, then they'll book you in, take your picture, and slide you in one of those cells. Okay? You have court tomorrow morning. Yep.
The woman was arrested and charged with theft. If she is convicted,
Man, yo, that's crazy. For what? Over $100? Like, so stupid for a shirt and a bra. Like, really? That don't even make no sense. Like the sister said, or the boyfriend's whatever family or whatever. She 18 and dumb. That's it. 18 and dumb. You getting all this embarrassment over a camera, a shirt, and a bra. God, I get the cops a 4. They did pretty good.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.